Bullish Dogecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 28 cents and 62 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach 28 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2022 is 5 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge D, as a joke because of the then widespread digital money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being snide, certain individuals view it as a feasible monetary open door. A Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. Kindly note that the expectations recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as venture guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin speculations. Anyway, we should plunge into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an amusing image coin. A representation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for advanced monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Moreover, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is split at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin specialized examination. Generally speaking, the pattern for Dogecoin stays in a downtrend. Yet momentary energy moves constantly vertically, and the cost for the coin recuperates rapidly when it goes descending. Price. The cost dropped in a channel down pattern for quite a while. At the point when the cost swings inside the channel trend lines, dealers who accept the cost is probably going to remain inside the channel can put exchanges. At the point when an example is finished, place an exchange when the cost crosses the upper or lower pattern lines of the channel. At the point when this happens, the cost might flood in the breakouts bearing trend. All time periods are on a descending pattern for this coin for a really long time. The MACD line. When the coin is over the MACD signal line, the RSI stays under 50, and energy is blended. The volume on up days is greater than the volume on down days, as shown by the rising OBV marker. Accordingly, request offset supply. Dogecoin crucial examination. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to enterprises. In this way, you can assess regardless of whether a digital currency is worth the effort by directing a suitable essential examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the venture. Key examination is worried about deciding a resource's natural worth. For instance, you can decide whether a digital money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different inward and outer components. For Dogecoin, there are various incentives. The way that it isn't covered makes the incentive increment. The benefits of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining environment. There is currently no rush toward an asserted hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's to come. Subsequently, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system extension. Despite the fact that its origin was set apart by craftsmen and content makers tipping each other, it has developed into a completely utilitarian cash that can be utilized for regular uses. To keep up with the usefulness of the environment, more Dogecoin can undoubtedly be procured. Dogecoin utilization is anticipated to extend by over 5% yearly, which will build the money's worth. Dogecoin current cost. Dogecoin is right now worth 6 cents USD. Doge has moved 1.52% as of now with an exchanging volume of $205,345,183. Dogecoin is right now positioned 10 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $7,941,141,148 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogecoin value expectation 2022. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Doge cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 9 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 8 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progression. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 7 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. In 2023, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 15 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 12 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 14 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 22 cents and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 20 cents and a low of 19 cents in 2024. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. Assuming Dogecoin effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2025. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 28 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents and a typical cost of 26 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 33 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 31 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 35 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 39 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 41 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 38 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 44 cents and a yearly cost close above 47 cents in 2028. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. By 2029, Dogecoin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 51 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 54 cents, averaging out at 52 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030 makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel and